it's Lynette here and thank you for joining me. So today I have got the Nextbeautybox. This cost me £25 and the contents are worth £110. It's still available if you're looking to pick this up on the website. Now I picked it up as a Mother's Day present, but I thought I would still kind of sneakily unbox it and show you what's inside it. I'm sure my mum won't mind. Actually, I probably could have boxed her up quite a lot from my own collection, but I didn't want to be tight and do that. So the leaflet here says Beauty, discover Nextbeauty and our incredible selection of brands. There we go. And it tells you a little bit about the products that are in the box. So you open the box. It's a shame it's not a bit prettier, eh? And it says beauty treats are inside and beauty, but it is recyclable, so that's the main thing. So I'm just going to gently, if I can, peel off the sticker. Make a right mess of it here. Okay, so I'm going to pull the items out one by one. And first of all, we have the ordinary, and it's the buffet. And this is a multi-technology peptide serum. So there we go. So that's 30 mils. I've not tried the buffet yet. So what does it say about the buffet? It says, a true multitasker hero serum is able to target multiple signs of aging in one versatile formula. So that'll be good for my mum, for her skin. The next thing is here, Philip Kingsley. And it's the elasticizer and the deep conditioning treatment. I don't know if my mum's ever tried the elasticizer. So it's designed to smooth hair and beat dryness. This best-selling hair mask leaves locks soft, sleek and shiny. Oh, so it's a good hair mask, which is good because my mum bleaches her hair. It's short, but she does bleach it. And the next product here is the Beauty Pro Eye Therapy. There we go. I do love an under eye mask. It says here, an intense soothing and cooling treatment for under eyes. Hard-working masks will reduce puffiness and treat tired, swollen eyes in just one use. See, I hope she's not offended by all these things. The next item I see here is the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. So Glam Glow do the most amazing little masks. And it says here, blended with 6 acids and K17 clay, Powerhouse Mud Mask works hard to slough through dead skin cells, perfect for shrinking the appearance of pores, blasting blemishes and nixing excess oiliness. So my mum does suffer from oily skin and enlarged pores, so that's a good product for her. And the next one here is this little tiny, which I think will last a little while, the Benefit Professional, which is oil-free primer that smooths over pores, fine lines and imperfections. So that's a good base to your makeup. And what do we have here? Oriella Probiotic Skincare Cell Repair Night Oil. There we go. So it says a relaxed blend of neroli, lavender, rose and mandarin encourages mindfulness while the botanical packed formula works to hydrate skin overnight. It's really nice. And we've got a little mascara here. It's a Bobbi Brown one. Bobbi Brown's a fantastic brand, so she will be pleased with that. There's loads of great brands here. So Emma Hardy, and it's Moringa Cleansing Balm. So there we go. So it tells you a little bit about the award-winning cleansing balm. Is perfectly balanced and thoroughly cleanses deep in the pores while moisturising and calming all skin types. So that's the Emma Hardy. Oh, I can see that Freya's trying to call me. Oh, the Ico. I love this eyeliner, although I did destroy it trying to put it back in the lid. Ico Eye Dew Liquid Eyeliner. So yeah, it says what it does what it says on the tin, doesn't it? It's a really good pigmented eyeliner. I got them through they're always in the beauty boxes. Oh, this is gorgeous. L'Occitane Divine Cream. There we go. How much of that are we getting? This is really expensive stuff. It's 8 mils, and it says here, luxurious ingredients and potent formula. This complete facial moisturiser fights against visible signs of aging, including wrinkles, dullness, loss of volume and firmness. So there you go, as long as she doesn't ask for it for Christmas. Oh, I really like that. And that's it. That is everything. I was just checking. Oh no, there's one more thing. And there's more. There's one more thing. I thought there was more. So there's the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and that's the 15 mils. So that's the anti-aging. Absolutely love this stuff. I love the smell of it. So that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items for £25. And in total value is 110. So I'll just quickly speed by and show you them. So that's the Ordinary, the Buffet, the Professionals Pore Primer, the Beauty Pro Eye Therapy, the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, the Emma Hardy Beauty Cleansing Balm, the L'Occitane Moisturiser, the Philip Kingsley Hair Mask, the Glam Glow Mask, Face Mask, the Bobbi Brown Mascara, the Ico Eyeliner, and this little Night Repair Oil, Cell Night Repair Oil, which is lovely sounding. So I also picked up a few other things, a couple other things from Next for part of Mother's Day. So for my mother-in-law, I picked up this gorgeous reed diffuser. So that was £16 and it smells amazing. I'll pop in a Yankee candle in a box of chocolates in her little gift bag to go along with this as well. And I also picked up this. Now this is for me. So it's the April Blossom Fragranced Faux Floral. There we go. So that was £8. I'm going to open it up. So it says it's a decorative faux flower with instant refreshing fragrance spray. Right? So fruity fragrance that combines apricot blossom and mango and mandarin. So it was £8. And it says here top notes of pink grapefruit, mandarin, heart, apricot blossom, mango, base, amber, coconut. There we go. So I will take this out the packaging. It also comes, if I can get it out, with a fragrance spray. Okay, in this gorgeous little packaging. I just think it's so sleek looking. But I'm going to try and get this out the box without breaking it. You know what I'm like with packaging. Ah, there we go. I thought this might have been a little bit bigger. So there we go. It does smell lovely, but the box was weirdly, when you buy things that are fragrance like that, normally there'd be plastic here, and I'm not complaining because I think it's good to get rid of plastic, so well done Next. But normally it would be covered and you feel like that would contain the smell. But no, it does still have a lovely smell, and it says apricot blossom there. And I think I was just going to pop that in the corner of my bathroom, but I think I might pop it in my utility room. My utility room? My ensuite. My utility room's like a cupboard, honestly. It fits my washing machine, tumble dryer, and there's a cupboard in it. It sounds very grand. Sounds grander as calling it a utility room. My ensuite, yeah. I'll pop that in there. It just smells lovely. So the spray, I'm going to spray the spray. Oh, that spray's lovely. Apricot blossom. So I'm assuming that once this begins to lose its subtle smell, because it's very subtle, that you could spray it with your room fragrance. There we go. So, you could buy the beauty box for yourself. You know what I mean? I just thought I would make a nice gift for my mum, and I just thought I'd be rather cheeky and open it on the channel. And this I thought was going to be a little bit bigger, but for £8, I don't know why I thought it was going to be bigger. I just thought that would be nice in a wee corner somewhere, and it does smell lovely, but it's a bit too subtle, which is why I thought it might work in a small space. So yeah, that's lovely, and I do love the room spray, the room fragrance, which I would spray on the rose from time to time to get a nice fragrance. I could do that with my perfume as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch up with you soon. And if your mums, or you've got mums or you're not even doing anything apart from, you know, it just been another day, I hope you do enjoy Mother's Day. If you're a mum, if you've got a mum, if you don't celebrate, that's fine, it's just another day. I don't particularly celebrate it myself, to be honest with you. Usually buy a takeaway and get some kind of cards and things from the boys, but it's not kind of mum getting taken away on a spa day or anything like that. We're not that kind of family, even if we could go away and do that. So yeah, it's just nice actually to get a card from the boys, but they're at that kind of age where I do sometimes have to remind them because Steve used to always buy the presents from the boys when they were younger. So yeah, have a lovely day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.